Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reprocess the vertical system within your project. So, one of the more common mistakes we see and get questions about is the wrong geoid or ellipsoid was selected during the project, and that has led to a vertical bust. Fortunately, in FieldGenius Android, it is really simple to reprocess your data. So what I'm going to do to reprocess my data is I'm going to click on my projects folder in the top left corner here. And then under my project name here, I'm going to click the info button and then change my vertical system. So in my case, I wanted to use the HT2AB vertical system, but I have the ellipsoidal system selected. So I'm going to select that system for my HT2 one and then click on Open Project, and all of my points will be automatically recalculated in this new vertical system. Do keep in mind that any calculated points will not be reprocessed as they do not have any raw data associated with them, but any points you shot will be reprocessed. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you reprocess your vertical system data within Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.